Uh, Hi. Welcome to my channel where I mostly post dumb things. And I'm just doing like a sound test. It's my second sound test I did so far. First sound test was garbage, so I didn't post it. Yeah. Uh, so go in the comments and tell me how your day. How's your day going? My day was going good. I playing Arknights, grinding Pacific uh, items for this one character. Yeah, in this part of the stage, in this part of the game, I just grind so I can do my operas better and unlock cool art. Like, can somebody explain why in almost every game, at least one of the enemies has to self-destruct when they defeat it? Why is that a thing? Can somebody explain me that? What's that thing in video games? Like, oh, you defeated me. I'm taking you down with me. It's weird, dude. Really? You lost. You gonna take me down with you? What's the point of that? Uh, yeah, like what's the point of you self-destruct? Yeah, I'll just stay inside the video, isn't it? Yeah, because I don't know how to edit this stuff out. Yay. Yeah, because it's dumb. Like, oh, you defeat me, but I'm gonna take you down with me. Like, dude, really? You lost fair and square. This is a self-destruct, like it's nothing. Uh, why am I doing this? It's not like I'm getting money from this. I'm just doing it because it's fun. It's a fun thing for me. I'm just doing this because I got nothing better to do. I have a channel. Why not post stuff here? Why not face Savage that way? Oh, he had the dumb fucking spiders. Yes, I do, cause you don't like cussing, fucking deal with it. I don't give a shit. And with that note, hope all y'all have a good day, good night, good evening. I hope your day is good all around. Peace.